Welcome back to another El Yucateco recipe video, everyone. My name is Mike. Today, we're going to be doing a chili cheese dip with the El Yucateco XXXtra Hot Sauce. You're going to love this one, and it's coming up right now. Once again, welcome back, everyone. We really appreciate all your support. Don't forget to follow us by hitting that button down there. And without any further ado, let's get right into today's recipe. To make this chili cheese dip, you want to start with a base of evaporated milk. Place some in a pot that's large enough for you to add all these ingredients and be able to stir this without overflowing. Get that pot on low to medium heat. Then we're going to be adding some cornstarch and give that a good stir to make sure that is all incorporated into the milk. Now we're going to go ahead and add our chili. Now you can use canned chili for this, or we have an incredible homemade chili recipe right here on the channel, and I'll leave a link to that in the description and in the iCard above. Next, we'll add some tomatoes and chilies, cumin, chili powder, and then give that a good stir to incorporate those ingredients. Now this wouldn't be chili cheese dip without some cheese, so we're going to go ahead and add some cheddar cheese to this. We're using a total of 16 ounces of cheese. Add that in about 8 ounces at a time and give it a good stir in between. And now it's time to add some XXX extra kick to this recipe, the El Yucateco XXXtra Hot Sauce. And for those of you that have never had this particular sauce, it has an incredible amount of kick, but an equally well-balanced amount of flavor. So you can really enjoy it as a condiment or as an ingredient in a recipe just like this. Now give that a good stir and allow this to cook on low to medium heat for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Be sure you're stirring this occasionally. As soon as everything is melted, incorporated, and that dip is nice and hot, you can transfer this to a serving dish and just allow it a few minutes to cool off. Then you can serve it up just like this. Now don't forget, you can also do this in a slow cooker, which would be perfect for tailgating or parties. And it is now time for my favorite part of the video. I serve this up with some plain and some spicy chips. Oh, this is going to be good. Cheers, everyone. Wow, that XXX sauce really adds a ton of kick to this, but equally balanced flavor. It is the star of the show in this recipe. You got to give this one a try at home. I promise you, you have never had a better chili cheese dip, and you can make this right at home in your own kitchen. So that's it for today. I really appreciate all your time. Thanks for your support. Don't forget to kick up all your recipes with the King of Flavor, and I will see you on the next video.